Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very happy day because I just got myself the TLV that I've been waiting for a long time, and that is actually the Hino Ranger. The TLV Hino Ranger is actually very similar to the white version, the A. So you can see here, actually this is actually the B version, means that it's actually a variant. It's the same casting, but it actually came in the dark military green and red scheme, which I'm actually very excited about, as I can see on the box, as compared to the plain white one that came out earlier this year. The other casting I'm actually very happy is actually the cattle truck, which I will actually do on my next review video. And so I got myself some green machine, and as well as the Casanova. So this Hino Ranger is actually the first to be featured in my video. As you can see, it actually comes in a larger size box. I've actually do a comparison with this for the earlier one, for the earlier Hino Ranger truck. This is not the same size as the Hino KB324 type of truck. The blue collar truck is different. So here you have the Hino Ranger that is out from the box. And actually, I am very happy with the color scheme. The color scheme is actually slightly different hue than the one on the box. The box is actually darker, in a much olive color. It's darker, but this is actually a tinge lighter, as well as the red is also not that red as well. You can see the belly here is actually all is the red belly. I call this the chassis. It's like the red belly, and it actually look quite fierce as well. It is a blue collar truck. It make its do its job right, and you just get the job done. And if you can take a look at the one that is actually compared with the white, I don't know whether the turntable can take it or not. So halfway through the video, if the turntable just fear, please bear with it, because I think it's just too heavy. So the white one is actually looking quite plain, which is the A, the earlier version. However, the green and the red version, the two-tone scheme, is actually looking much better than the plain white. Of course, the white actually look clean, and it's actually very complementary to all the casting, just like the Nissan Atlas safety loader, which is actually the best support vehicles for all your photography needs or showcase need. It doesn't really shout that, oh, I'm a TLV, I'm actually very glam than the other casting, but it's actually just very subtle, and it just happened to be there, and it's very complementary to all your collection, regardless you are putting a TLV on the bed of the truck, or you are putting a Hot Wheels or Greenlight or Tarmac or Eno 64 it still serves its purpose as the best support vehicle. So I always like to have the Atlas for my photo shoot. I use the Ranger, Hino Ranger, for my photo shoot as well, with the Tomica Premium Toyota 2000 GT, and I really like it. I mean, just white on white is just too beautiful. So right now we have the green. The green, you want to take a closer look, you can actually do so, which I actually oops. Alright, so here you can see all the red belly here. You even have a spare wheel here as well, which is also in rubber texture. Of course, the price that you pay for actually has to be there, and it just look very nice and detailed. I think you even have the red seat, the red driver seat there. So just be careful when you hold this. You see how I hold it? I actually just hold it here. I do not actually hold here because it will have a breakage. So be very careful with the truck here. You just want to break it, because a lot of parts are fragile, because this is actually a model car. It rolls actually very well also. So this is nothing, you do not have the issue that it can't roll, so not to worry. And now I shall actually show you how nice the Hino Ranger is, as compared with many different type of casting that go along with it. So of course we do know that it actually, the primary purpose for the Hino Ranger is actually to carry goods. So a lot of fun with this. This actually come from the KB324 model. You have the Hino crates, which actually it's a shame it doesn't come with crates and the goods. It actually only come for a certain model. It also doesn't come with the driver as well. In the past, TLV KB324 type has actually have crates as well as the driver, which is actually a delight for me. It's actually looking quite nice. So you can have it like this, or you can have it like this as well. So the combination is actually limitless. You can, I believe this will look nice on photo shoot as well, just with the crates. And now let's test the car. So for the car, I just find some complementary color scheme that is actually nice. It's actually the BMW E30 from Tarmac Works, the Michelin model. So see how nice it is. Just take that out of the way. Looking very good. Of course, it's getting a bit slow because it's getting heavy. So, or we actually will put it with the green light green machine. So it's the green machine Camaro. Very cool. I actually like the sort of the metallic green, the Spectra green, the Chase, the green machine Chase versus this green from TLV. Actually looking quite nice, looking quite complementary. Or the Hot Wheels Datsun 510 Bluebird, the ILC club car, which is also nice in mirror finish type of green. You have the mail-in car for the Datsun Bluebird, not totally green, just green and black scheme, but still it looks awesome. I think it looks very nice. So any other green casting that I have, this just randomly pull out from my display case. The what is this? Oh, the Frog Crown Victoria. It's actually a very big muscle car casting. And surprisingly, it can fit onto the Hino Ranger as well. So see, it's actually very fun. I mean, you can take a lot of photo with this, just with other casting. What is this? Oh, let me just take this. Super Snake, Super Treasure Hunt. My very, very favorite Super Treasure Hunt. One of my best Super Treasure Hunt in Hot Wheels. It's not all about JDM for Hot Cars. This is just so beautiful. One of my favorite. Or it can actually be for the Cool Combi. The Cool Combi Super. Look how nice it is. The Cool Combi Super working with the Hino Ranger. I think it's very cute, very nice. So, I think for all these, just like the Nissan Atlas or the Nissan Atlas Safety Loader, the Hino Ranger is actually good to buy casting for the releases this month. Of course, you don't want to miss out TLV, because when it just sold out, they are not going to reproduce anymore because it's just a limited version. Means that it's also a one-time factory run for TLV. And the next video will be on the Toyo Ace cattle truck, the pit truck. There's actually, to some Tomica collector or to the Tomica collectors community, is actually a legendary cattle truck, pit cattle truck. So of course, do always stay tuned to my channel, and please remember to subscribe to Hot Custom YouTube channel. I do actually upload video to my channel almost daily. Thanks everyone, goodbye and good night.